कांस्टेंट तब कंसिडर में आएगा जब कंसिडर 5 जैसे 5 3 - 0 मतलब फाइन अगर वो थर्ड ऑर्डर की इक्वेशन हो तो 5 3 equal to 0 5 2 0 5 1 0, then we have to consider the 5 0, then the constant term comes.
And sir, if 50 is not coming, then for every curve with different constant, all the curves with different constant will have the same equation of asymptote. If 50 is
हाँ
not coming in the equation of some
fine
point.
now then same.
Okay, sir.
Okay, today we discuss curve tracing. Curve tracing, okay. Curve tracing. So any equation and the corresponding curve we can find by these rules. The general rules of curve tracing. General rules. First we have to find that the curve is symmetric or not. Okay. Now if a given curve in the equation, if y, suppose this is a two variable curve x and y present there, if y having only even power, then the given curve is symmetrical about x axis. If y having only even power, then the curve is symmetric, then it is symmetrical about x axis. Suppose y square equal to 4ax. So here power of y is even, so this must be symmetrical about x axis. This is the curve and symmetric about this is x axis. If we put a mirror here, the image of the mirror will be same. Now if the x having only even power, if x having only even power, then the curve will be symmetrical, implies symmetrical about y axis. This is symmetrical about y axis, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Y square equal to 4ax. It is symmetrical about y axis. Why? This is y axis.
X
No,
axis
sir.
sir.
No, sir.
X square equal to, that is 4ay.
This is
Okay,
symmetric.
this is symmetrical because x has a power even, so this is symmetric about x axis. This will be like that. And third is if you interchange x and y, if you interchange x and y in the equation, and then equation does not change, and the equation if the equation does not change, then we can say that it is symmetric about y equal to x, symmetrical about y equal to x. Y equal to x, this means this is the line y equal to x. So this will be symmetrical like that. If you change x and y, interchange, suppose we have given this is suppose this is the equation x cube plus y cube equal to xy. So interchange x and y, so this will be y cube plus x cube equal to xy, same equation. So this will be symmetrical about y equal to x. So general rules, first we have find the symmetry. This is the first. Second one, second we have to find the origin. Origin is present in the equation, or the equation goes through the origin or not. Origin means 0, 0. Origin, and if it goes through the origin, then find tangent at the origin. So any curve without any constant term goes through origin. Suppose this is the curve x cube plus y cube to xy. There is no constant term, so it must goes through origin. So if a given curve having no constant term, we can say that the curve is passing through origin. Otherwise, you check by putting first putting x equal to 0. If you get y equal to 0, that means the curve passes through x equal to 0. So it passes through 0, 0. Suppose x square plus y square plus 2xy. It passes through 0, 0, and x square plus y square plus 2xy plus 2 equal to 0. There is a constant term, so it does not passes through 0, 0. Now if it passes through 0, then check, we have to check the nature of the origin. If the curve passes through the origin, that is 0, 0, we have to find the nature of the origin. For this, we have to first find the tangent at origin. We get tangent at the origin by equating the lowest degree term of the equation to 0. That means we have x cube plus y cube plus x plus y equal to 0. 4 terms, the degree of first term is 3, second term 3, and third term 1, and fourth term 1. So lowest degree term present here x plus y. So tangent will be x plus y equal to 0, that is only one tangent, y equal to minus x. Now if we get two tangent, if we get two tangents at origin, then we have to find the nature of the origin. Suppose we have given the equation like that: x cube plus y cube plus x square plus no minus x cube plus y cube plus x square minus y square equal to 0. So the first term degree 3, second term degree 3, third term degree 2 and fourth term degree 2. So lowest order degree here present x square and minus y square. So tangent will be x square minus y square equal to 0. Now x square equal to y square, that is x equal to plus minus y. That means there present two tangent, y equal to x and y equal to minus x. So if two tangent present, then we can say that if both the tangent are real and distinct, this tangent real and distinct, the first one is y equal to x and second one is y equal to minus x. So if both tangents are real and distinct, then the origin is called a node. Suppose the curve is like that. This is x-axis. So at origin there present a tangent here and a tangent there. So we get two tangent at the origin, then this origin will be called node. Now second one, if both tangent are real, both tangents are real but not distinct, but they are coincident or same, coincident or same. In that case the origin will be called a cusp, C-U-S-P, cusp. Suppose this is the curve and at the origin we get tangent. For this part tangent will be here, and for this part same tangent, they are same, then the origin is called cusp. Suppose x cube plus y cube plus x square equal to 0. For that case tangent will be x square equal to 0, that means x equal to 0 and x equal to 0, so they are same. In that case the origin will be called a cusp. And third one, if the tangent are imaginary, then the origin is called a conjugate point. Tangents are imaginary, in that case origin will be called a conjugate point. Origin will be called a conjugate point. or a isolated point. So when tangents are imaginary, that means we can't draw a tangent. We can't draw a tangent at the origin. The tangent is imaginary. We can't draw the tangent at any figure. So first we check the symmetry. Second, we have to find the origin. If origin presents, then the tangent. Third, we have to check the asymptotes. So there are three types of asymptotes, and first is parallel to x-axis, second is parallel to y-axis, and third is the oblique asymptote. Parallel to x-axis, how do we find parallel to x-axis? You know, say someone.
Highest coefficient of the x power highest degree should be equated to 0.
Equal to 0. The highest, the coefficient of highest power of x will be equal to 0 to find the asymptote parallel to x-axis, and second parallel to y-axis, same process, coefficient of highest power of y equal to 0 to find the asymptote parallel to y-axis, and the third one is oblique asymptote. You know the rules, oblique asymptotes. Then the fourth point is intersection points with the coordinates x, मतलब x axis and y axis, with coordinate axis and asymptote. Coordinate axis, that means put x equal to 0, then we find the value of y, and put y equal to 0, then we find the value of x. Suppose in that case for this equation, if you put y equal to 0, then you find 2 points, that one is 0, 0 and another one is some 2, 0 or a, 0. This will be minus 2, 0 or minus a, 0, like that. So fourth is very important, intersection point with the coordinate axis and also asymptote. And the fifth point is the region. We have to find out the region where the curve lies. For the to find the region, actually we have to solve the equation or check the equation, not to solve, check the equation for every value of x and y and examine the region. Suppose y equal to 1 by x minus y. To check here, for x equal to 1, it does not, we can't find the value of y, like that. To have to check the where, for what value of x and y we get the curve. So for curve testing, we actually for curve testing we have to follow the 5 points. First one is symmetrical or symmetry. Second one is origin. and tangent. Third one is asymptotes. Fourth one is intersecting point. And fifth one is region. 5 points. Now, by these tools, trace the curve of y square 2a minus x equal to x cube. First one, trace the curve of this. So this equation can be written as 2ay square minus xy square equal to x cube, or you can write x cube plus xy square minus 2ay square equal to 0. Now I have to check the 5 points. First, symmetry. Now power of x here 3 and 1. So power of x is not an even number, so we can't get we can say that the curve is not symmetric about y-axis. Now power of y here 2, that means even. This implies this is symmetrical about x-axis. So this curve is symmetric about x-axis. Now origin and tangent. Put x equal to 0. Then y square minus 2a minus 0 equal to 0. That means y equal to 0. So 0 lies on the curve. That means the curve passes through the origin 0, 0. Now we will find the tangents. So here first term is of order 3, second term is of order 1 plus 2 equal to 3, and third term is order of 2. So we have to find first the lowest order term. Here lowest order term or tangent, the lowest order term is equal to minus 2a y square. Now this will be 0 to find tangent. So y will be y square equal to 0. That means y equal to 0 and y equal to 0. So we get two tangents and they are coincident, they are same. Two tangents, they are same. So origin will be called what? CUSP, curve. Third, asymptote. Now highest power of first find parallel to x-axis. So equation is x cube plus xy square minus 2ay square equal to 0. Now highest power of x is equal to 1 equal to 0. Absurd. That means no asymptote parallel to x-axis. second is y square. Coefficient of y square is equal to x minus 2a. X minus 2a equal to 0. That means x equal to 2a. The coefficient of y square equal to this. So x equal to 2a. So x equal to 2a is asymptote parallel to y-axis. This is asymptote parallel to y-axis. Fourth one is intersecting. कौन है? Shreyans, mute yourself. Okay. Fourth, to find the intersecting point, put intersecting point. Intersecting points. First put x equal to 0. X equal to 0 we find x equal to 0, 0, 0, y equal to 0. So intersecting point, that is 0, 0, and put y equal to 0. Y equal to 0, then x also 0. So both the cases, x axis and y axis, it cuts through the point 0, 0, 0. And fifth is the region. Now we have the curve y square 2a minus x equal to x cube. So y square will be x cube by 2a minus x. Now we consider the case when x equal to 2a, x greater than 2a, and x less than 2a. Now when x equal to 2a, then y square equal to will be infinite. Y square equal to will be x cube minus 0. So we can't find y. So this case we neglect this case. For x greater than 2a, x greater than 2a, so y square will be, in that case, x greater than 2a, y square will be negative. So y is imaginary. You also cannot consider this case. For x less than 2a, x less than 2a.
So in second case, it can be positive if x, we take x as negative.
A is
X is
constant or negative constant, it should be.
The value of y is in
Depends on
complex form, imaginary.
value of y is imaginary.
Depend करेगा sir, it depends upon the value of a ना.
Value of a, right? Yes.
A is positive constant.
And third case, if x less than 2a, then y square is positive. So for that case, y, we can get y real value. And third case, if so x must be less than 2a, and if we consider x less than 0, in that case y square will be negative. So we can't find y. So x must be greater than equal to 0. For that case we get a real value of y. So we have the region x
0 to 2a.
right, x less than equal to no x less than 2a, right? This is the region. Now we trace the curve. First draw x-axis and y-axis. X-axis, this is y-axis, capital Y. Now origin is 0, 0. Now asymptote, equation of asymptote is, what is the asymptote? Asymptote is x equal to 2a. First draw the asymptote. Suppose this is s and 2a, x equal to 2a. Draw the asymptote. This is x equal to 2a. Asymptote, and the curve lies between 0 x value 0 to 2a. So curve lies between this region 0 to 2a, and it is symmetrical about what? Symmetrical about, we get symmetrical about x-axis. Symmetrical about x-axis. Symmetrical, this is x-axis, so symmetrical about x-axis. The upper part and lower part will be same. And 0, 0 point is a what? Cusp. 0, 0 point is a cusp. So since this is cusp, this and this is the asymptote, we get like that. Since this is the cusp and this is the asymptote, right? So this is symmetric about x-axis. This is symmetric about x-axis. We get the asymptote, and 0, 0 point is a curve, and what? Intersecting x-axis and y-axis both at 0, 0, all satisfies. So this is our equation of x cube, what? Equation of y square 2a minus x equal to x cube, and it lies between the region 0 to x less than 0 less than 2a. So this is our equation.
Sir, can this curve be a circle or ellipse between 0 to 2a?
Circular 0 to 2a. No, 0 to 2a circular. If it is circular, then it must intersect in another point also, right now? It must intersect. We find that the curves intersect both x-axis and y-axis at 0, 0. Both the cases. Both the cases for x-axis and y-axis, both the cases 0, 0. So only one intersecting point 0, 0.
So why don't we check maxima and minima between 0 and 2a?
Maximum, minimum.
Yes,
Then
sir. Between 0 and 2a, why don't we check maxima and minima?
it is needed to find a curve, maximum, minimum. If you check the tangent there, 0 to 2a. Maximum, if 0 to maximum, no need.
Okay, sir.
If required, you can draw. You can find the tangent at x equal to 2a or x equal to 0. Then second example 2. Trace the curve of y square a plus ax equal to x square a minus x. So first write this equation, ay square plus xy square equal to x square minus x cube. So ay square plus xy square minus ax square minus x cube equal to 0. Now first one is symmetry. So order of x, power of x, one is 3 and another one is 2. So no, this curve is not symmetric about y-axis, and power of y is 2 here, power of y is 2 here. So this will be symmetrical about x-axis. Second one is to find the origin it passes through or not. If you put x equal to 0, so we get y equal to 0. X equal to 0, we get y equal to 0. So it passes through origin 0, 0. Now we have to find the tangent. The lowest order term here, here 2, here 3, 2 and here 3. So lowest order term ay square minus ax square equal to 0. So this will be y square minus x square equal to 0. That means y equal to plus minus x. So 1 is 1, y plus x equal to 0, y minus x equal to 0. Then two tangent at the point 0, 0. That means 0,
No.
0 is a
Nodes.
node. Third one, asymptote. Now highest power of x here 3, so coefficient of x cube is equal to 1. So no parallel to x axis, no asymptote parallel to x axis, and for the case of y square a plus x. Now a plus x equal to 0, that means x equal to minus a. This is the asymptote parallel to y-axis. Parallel to y-axis, we get the asymptote x equal to minus a. Fourth is intersection.
Where it is plus x cube, sir.
Huh?
It is minus x square plus x cube. Sir.
Plus x squared plus x cube. Now the intersecting point. First we find the x-axis. Put y equal to 0. So y equal to 0 we get y equal to 0, but put then ax minus x square plus x cube equal to 0. That means x common x square minus x square common x minus a equal to 0. That means x equal to 0 and x equal to a. That means the curve cuts the x-axis at the point 0, 0, 0, 0 and a, 0 cuts x-axis at this point. And to find the points which cuts y-axis, put x equal to 0. Then equation will be ay square plus 0 or 0 equal to 0. That means y square equal to 0. That is 0, 0. So cuts y-axis at 0, 0. So intersection point we get. Now fifth point is the region. Now y square equation is y square a plus x equal to x square a minus x. That means y square equal to x square a minus x a plus x. Now if x greater than a, x less than a, and x equal to a. If x greater than a, x greater than a, then y square will be what? X greater than a, y square will be negative. Negative. So
negative.
y is imaginary, so we cannot consider that case. If x is less than a, then y square is positive and y is real. Y is real. Now if x equal to a, x equal to a, that is y square equal to 0. So in that case y is real.
Sir,
So x
sir,
another
are
case.
we assuming that a is
case.
greater than 0?
A is greater than 0.
Yes, we are assuming that now?
A greater than 0, right? A is greater than 0.
There
There is another case.
you have,
Above lines, where? What?
so you have written 0 to 0 and a to 0. So you should write 0 to a, na, if a is greater than 0.
A is greater than 0.
That is not a to 0. That is the coordinate a comma 0.
Oh,
A comma 0. That is a comma 0. It cuts a comma 0. That means it cuts at that point 0 comma 0 and here a comma 0. Right?
sorry, sir.
Okay. Okay. Another case, if x greater than minus a, so a plus x will be a plus x will be
Negative.
x greater than
Plus
minus
x is
a.
positive. Sir.
Positive. So
Yes.
for that case y square is real, so y is real, we consider that case. And if x is less than minus a, if x is less than minus a,
So x plus a is less than 0, negative.
negative.
X plus a is negative, sir.
Negative, so y square is also negative, so y is imaginary, so we cannot consider that case. So x must be less than a and x must be
Greater than minus a.
greater than minus a. X must be less than a and x must be greater than minus a. Now we trace the curve. So 0 0 is point of node, right? Node. And what is the asymptote? Asymptote is, what is the asymptote?
X equal to minus a. X equal to minus a.
X equal to minus, right? This is x equal to minus a. So first draw the asymptote x equal to minus a here. This is a, so x equal to minus a, this is the asymptote, x equal to minus a. And at the point 0 comma 0, the tangent like y equal to x and y equal to minus x, like that. The tangent at that point, tangent will be like that. So curve will be like that. Curve cuts 0 0 and a comma 0, both the point 0 0 and a comma 0. So the tangent, this is the tangent, so curve will be like that, and it cuts a comma 0, and also we get a tangent at y equal to minus x. It is y equal to x and y equal to minus x, but we have another asymptote here, another asymptote. So this moves like that, and this part moves like that, and in this region x greater than a, we can't find any part of the because x less than a. So for x greater than a, we can't find any part of the curve, and for x greater than minus a, we can't find any part of the curve. So this is our curve. Curve is a plus x equal to x square to a minus x. Okay. Next we do another example of for curve tracing. Okay. So thank you very much.
Sir,
bolo.
I have a question.
Hmm.
The value of x is depend upon the value of a. When the a is negative, then value of x become less than negative, right? So minus a have a is negative, then x is positive. Then how can represent on the number line the value of x? So it depending दिया हुआ रहेगा ना question with the value of a.
Value of a is positive. If a is negative, when
A is always positive, sir. It may
a
be
is
negative.
positive, for that case we take a here. If a is negative, then a will be here.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
If a is negative, then in that case the curve will be like that. Curve will be like this type.
Okay, sir. I got it.
ठीक है, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
अरे
Sir,
ठीक है,
please share the
link
Thank
भेज
you,
रहा हूँ.
PDF, sir.
हाँ हाँ.